We are at some professional building. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll figure that out. And honestly, if I had to take a wild guess, I'm just gonna say it's a Dover traditional, because that's what like so many of the little office buildings here in the North Shore are. Oh my God, are you kidding me? It actually is Dover traditional. That's hilarious. Yeah, look at that, I was right. Oh wait, this is the Adams replacement button. All right, we got this one. All right, these ones. Oh my God, oh my God. Do you not see my foot in the door? Oh my gosh. Slow it down. And then up to 3. This is literally exactly like the ones I just filmed. This one, at least the indicator works on these ones though. Partially. 66.66% working. Let's see the bell. Nice. All right, down to 1. Here's your telephone. Also, it's ADA compliant, very nice. Yeah, so I filmed just down the road. I filmed a building that had Dover traditionals, basically just like this, except yeah, literally same setup. The only difference is that the indicator was burnt out and the cab was slightly older. But yeah. And I see that door propped open there. And it makes me wonder, is that the machine room? We'll take a look at it quickly. I wonder if that's the machine. Is that? No. Anyway, well, that's it.